Good morning, dear students. Today we will continue with chapter 5, periodic classification of elements. Students, till now we discussed about the atoms to classify elements. We started with Dobriner's triad. It had some limitations, so that was rejected, that system of classification. Then came Newland's law of octave. And at the time of Newland, 56 elements were known. That system of classification also had some limitations and could not be applied to all the 56 elements known at that time. So that was also rejected. That was applicable only for lighter elements up to atomic mass 40. Then came Mendeleev forward to classify the elements, and Mendeleev's basis of classification was he arranged the elements in increasing order of atomic mass, and he also took into consideration similarity in properties. All the elements which fall under one group, they had similar properties, and elements were arranged in increasing order of atomic mass. So this system of classification again had some limitations. So Mendeleev's system of classification was also rejected. Then came Henry Moseley. He was a young English physicist. In 1913, Henry Moseley, he showed that atomic number is more fundamental property than atomic mass, because Mendeleev in his system of classification, he considered atomic mass. He arranged the elements in increasing order of atomic mass. So after regular interval, elements with similar properties reoccurred. But it had some limitation. So that was rejected. Then in 1913, Henry Moseley suggested that the more fundamental property of element is not atomic mass, but it is atomic number. So based on that, Henry Moseley proposed modern periodic law. Okay, so what is modern periodic law? According to this law, the physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic function of their atomic number, not atomic mass. This was the change which Moseley did in his system of classification, and the law given by Moseley was modern periodic law. Mendeleev periodic law, that was based on atomic mass. Modern periodic law is based on atomic number. This is the basic difference, students. So the limitation which Mendeleev had in his system of classification were corrected here in modern periodic table. Okay, so what is modern periodic law? According to this law, physical and chemical properties of the element are periodic function of their atomic number. This is modern periodic law, and this is very important, students. It is asked in board exam. You have to write, the statement is asked to write, state what is modern periodic law. So what is modern periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of the elements. Three things. The physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic function of their atomic number. Means when elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic number, then after regular interval, elements with similar properties reoccur. Clear? When elements are arranged in increasing order of atomic number, then after regular interval, elements with similar properties reoccur. So all the elements which fall under one group, their properties are similar. So students, what you find here, what is the difference in the system of classification of Mendeleev and in this modern periodic law? Mendeleev periodic law, modern periodic law. What is the difference? Mendeleev In Mendeleev's periodic law, the physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic function of their atomic mass. So what is the change Moseley did in modern periodic law? The atomic mass, he said that more fundamental property of the element is atomic number, not atomic mass. Okay, so what is modern periodic law? The physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic function of their atomic number. Clear?